to show you guys, this is my kitchen, okay? And of course, they all told me I'm a hoarder, but I just need a bigger house. That's all, bigger kitchen. But, well, anyway, so, of course, you know me, I like to cook and do all kinds of stuff. And so I made my husband go buy me these racks at Costco's, and we put two of them in the kitchen. Yeah, it looks tacky, but you know what? Hey, it works for me. I have everything under the cabinet and under the stairs, and I have to dig it out, and I don't use it because, look at me. I got, pasta machine. You see all these little doodads, little waffle maker, all my baking stuff, all my air fryers and instant pots and crock pots and juicers and my steamers and my bread maker, and then all my pans and stuff. And then over here in this hutch, in these drawers, all under here, it's full of all my other baking stuff. And then, then I put all these games over here. Well, now I've got to go change this all around and make it I'm going to replace all this with my new pampered chef. See ya.